In this intense attack video, multiple FPV drones, yes, a full swarm, targeted a Swedish PBV 302 Infantry Fighting Vehicle. The first drone struck the IFV from the rear. Despite being shielded with mesh screens, another drone can be seen flying in the footage. The drone streaked in and hit the top of the vehicle. The IFV kept moving, with its top cage still holding. Then came a third FPV drone, followed closely by a fourth visible in the background. Due to the vehicle's zigzag movements, the fourth drone adjusted its path and hit the rear again. Now, the IFV was moving while on fire. Realizing the blaze above, the soldiers opened the rear ramp to escape. Right at that moment, a fifth drone slammed into the vehicle from inside. Even the drone recording the footage was knocked out by the shockwave. All the attacking drones in this video were wire-guided. 5 FPV drones knock out a single IFV in this case. Russian forces knew that it is covered with mesh screens and top cage cover, so they send a swarm instead of a single drone.